excited to be here today. I've been asked many times, what were you most excited about in your first year of being governor? And over again, I've said it was working with the legislature, Senator Jackson, Representative Todd, and others to create the Governor's Investment in Vocational Education Act. And, you know, I was in business for 35 years, mostly with folks who work in facilities just like this. And I knew that we needed to change the way high schools look. And I knew that we needed to create pathways of success for those people in particular who are skilled in ways that others are not, but we don't have a lot of educational support for those particular skills. Some communities like this one have been at it more aggressively than others, but today's exactly what I looked forward to when I started thinking about how things could look different. You know, the partnerships that exist right here that Mike talked about, the community college, the UT Martin, the TCAT, the chamber, the Madison Jackson County schools, the private sector partners that all come together to make this happen. You've been doing that for some time. But now, with this GIVE Act, we're able to fan the flame of what it is that's happening in this community. And actually what it does is it provides a picture for what can happen in other places all across Tennessee. And so I have started the year by going around to some of the better examples and making these grants. What I believe is one of the most important things that we have done in this past year in the legislature. So thanks to everyone who's here. Thanks to everyone who's been a part of this. Thanks for the opportunity for me to come into this spot and do what I think is one of the most important things there is to do, and that is to create pathways of hope and opportunity for the next generation of kids in this state that will fill the jobs that are needed as these next generations of companies are created here and started here, or whether they come here from somewhere else. We're going to have a workforce that is prepared for those new jobs of the future, and our partners that are represented here today are going to make sure that happens. I'm so proud to be a part of this announcement, and so proud to be a part of what it is that you all are doing. Thank you very much for your work.